Hi Scorpio, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. However, you can check and watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements dahil minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. And nakakuha kayo ng mga dagdag na mensahe na para sa inyo. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. And please tap the bell, Scorpio, for updates. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of September. Ano yung mga gabay, mensahe, energies for Scorpio for the month of September. Scorpio, September. The Lovers. Okay. So, this is about love or relationship, yung focus or yung energy ninyo for the month of September. May mga kailangan kayong gawin na decision or choices, no? Smart or wise decision yung kailangan for some of you. Okay? Tingnan natin. For Scorpio, anong meron for the month of September? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, this is about partnership, okay? Okay. We'll be deciding on something to pursue or not to pursue, okay? To continue or not to continue. Okay, those are the questions or concerns ninyo for the month of September. Okay, Virgo. Okay. The Lovers. Again, confirmation. Magkakaroon ng solusyon, no? If you have concerns about relationship, you are seeing things clearly, okay? Merong breakthrough. Yeah. There is a new beginning for some of you, or there is a resurgence of love, no? Pagbabalik or pagkakabalikan, okay? Yeah. And the High Priestess, okay? Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you need to use your senses, most especially in making a decision. Your inner wisdom, okay? So, gamitin ninyo ang inyong intuition or pakiramdam, okay? Before you act or make a decision, okay? Consider carefully before you act on something, okay? For some of you, merong mga rivalry or competition. Yeah. Or maybe this is a training for some of you, okay? To develop yourself further. Sa trabaho man to, okay? Or your creative endeavors, merong competition. Yeah. Tingnan natin. Scorpio, Ace of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ace of Pentacles. Okay, wow. Something, a beginning, a start, no? There is a commitment, okay? For some of you, merong victory. Okay, when it comes to relationship, resurgence, or yung pagbabalik uli, no? Okay. Yeah. Because of some, yung iba sa inyo, maybe you are manifesting a relationship. Okay? So that's why magkakaroon ng new beginnings, no? Or new way of life. Okay, for some of you. Yeah. Okay. For some, this is a career. Bagong direction, pwedeng bagong direksyon, no? Bagong trabaho. Okay? Yeah, big money. For some of you, there is success and breakthrough sa inyong ginagawa. Yeah, okay. New contracts. Okay, may na-close kayo na deal. Yeah, there is success and breakthrough. This Ace of Pentacles. Again, Ace of Cups. Wow. So, there is, magkakaroon ng panibago, or you will be in love again. This is for some of you. Renewal of relationship. Okay. Yeah. Falling in love, or the resurgence of love. New beginning. Okay. You will feel good. Scorpio. Okay. For some of you, you will be in love. Okay. May mga pagbabago na mangyayari also on how you see things, or how you see your relationship. May mga improvement na gagawin. Okay. It's like magkakaroon ka ng solusyon kung paano or magiging maayos yung sasamahan. Ang sasamahan ninyo ng inyong person. Okay, the Lovers. Yeah, Five of Wands. Okay. And the Death. So, no more nonsense. Parang no more arguments. Okay, petty arguments. Minsan parang mga challenges or trials in our relationship. So, you will be shedding the old and embracing the new. Okay? Yeah, there will be a transformation, bagong development sa isang relationship or sa isang partnership. Okay? Yeah, for some of you, rivalry or competition is over. Yes. Okay? Tingnan natin, ano tong Five of Wands. Yeah. Yeah, merong ending of a toxic or unhealthy relationship, no? Merong renewal or development, pagbabago, okay? Yeah. Five of Wands, we'll see. Ano yung Five of Wands? Yeah, Seven of Wands. You will be protective now of some petty arguments. Okay, you will be careful. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, you will be showing strength, no? You will be strong or stronger in handling or in dealing with your relationships. Okay? You will now learn, parang matututo ka na magsabi ng hindi or how to say no. Okay? Yeah. You will be protective of yourself or of what you have. Scorpio, you will be gaining strength, no? Yeah. Yeah, you don't want arguments, no? Arguments no more. Ayaw mo ng rivalry or competition. Yeah, you are protecting yourself. Okay? So I think there is an understanding of that from your partner as well, or from your person, if you are dealing it because of the Lovers, no? Relationship, intimate relationship. Yeah, you will be making smart and wise decision para sa'yo, okay? Para sa future mo and para sa inyong relasyon, okay? You will be stronger and wise. Tingnan natin yung High Priestess for Scorpio. The Three of Swords. Yeah. So now, parang, alam mo na, meron kang, inner knowing, no? On how to protect yourself from heartbreak. Okay? And from pains. Yeah. Magiging malakas ang inyong intuition or pakiramdam. Okay? You will be, hindi naman sensitive, but parang you know already kung ano na yung mga mangyayari sa inyo sa susunod. Okay? Or how to handle it. Yeah. You are healing also. Yeah, you know how, parang paano, alam mo na kung paano protektahan ang sarili mo. Okay? From disappointments. Okay? From heartaches. Merong healing sa part mo. Okay? And then spiritually, merong expansion, no? Parang lumalawak ang inyong pag-unawa pagdating sa relasyon. Okay? And the Swords. And the Hierophant. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, you are aware. Yeah, you are aware na mayroong mga ibang tao na nangingialam or distraction sa inyong relationship. Okay? Yeah. Pero parang mas nangingibabaw sa inyo yung commitment, no? Sa isang relationship. Okay? You will be very intuitive, no? Parang mas magiging malakas ngayon ang inyong intuition or pakiramdam sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang relationship. Okay? Yeah. You will be more aware sa inyong sitwasyon. Okay? Scorpio. Yeah, for some of you, parang nahulaan mo to or meron ka ng alam na magkakaroon ng kaayusan ang inyong relationship. Yeah. Or some, you will be asking or consulting someone about sa status, no? Ng inyong relasyon. Okay? About commitment. Yeah. Okay. Tingnan natin ano pa yung mga additional na message for Scorpio for the month of September. Okay. Yeah, alam mo na merong tao or distraction or third party in the situation, but it seems for you parang alam mo na kung paano i-handle yon. Okay? It's like parang you will be blending it. But alam mo kung paano gagawin yon. The wiser things to do to handle it or to deal with it. Okay? Yeah, for some, yung iba sa inyo, you will be active in consulting someone. Maybe this is a spiritual gifted na mga tao. Okay? About the stability or about the commitment, no, in your relationship. Yeah. Or you will know that someone yeah. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, if your person is, if there is a third party and he or she is in another relationship, yun, parang alam mo na merong separation na nangyari doon, merong disappointment, okay? You will know about that, no? The status of the relationship, okay? That is for some of you. Dragon, beware of self-delusion, okay? Yeah, so beware of self-delusion, that is for some of you. Just take what resonates and leave the rest na para hindi sa yung mga hindi para sa inyo. Merong dolphin. Financial gain usually coming from something you did in the past. Okay, so good karma. Okay. Scales, keep your life in balance. Work-life balance. Flowers, happiness. So happiness. Happiness that is well earned and deserved for you, Scorpio. Mangyayari yan for the month of September. Okay, so additional message from Spirit Messages card. Yeah, for some of you, you will know na mayroong separation na nangyayari. Okay. Sa inyong partner or sa yung person of your interest. Take some time to rest and rejuvenate. You need to pace yourself with the changes that are coming your way. They are all positive, bigger and better. Things are coming for you. Just relax and trust. Wow. Relax and trust. Kalma lang. Okay? May mga positive na mangyayari sa inyo for the month of September. Something bigger and better, no? Bigger, better situation. Gratitude list. Counting your blessings and feeling gratitude for what you already have helps you to be centered in your heart instead of fixated on worries in your mind. What and who are you grateful for right now? Keep focusing upon gratitude and you will discover the amazing generosity of the universe. Okay? Gratitude list. Okay, so these are the messages for you, Scorpio. All the best. Thank you and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!